learn about type 4. Type 4 is based upon difference between squares. For example, a plus b and a minus b. It will give a square minus b square. Yeah, we can say as a square minus b square factorized into two brackets, a plus b and a minus b. So this fact we have to use in our exercise. So let's start with the exercise. Question number first. In this question, first of all we have to find out the root, and then we have to factorize like this. So find out the root first, which is 5a, and 9 means 3b bracket square. Now we have to factorize like this, means 5a plus 3b, another bracket, 5a minus 3b. Right? Okay. Move towards this question now. This term we are saying as a only, and this full term we are saying as a b. So we have to factorize first. Factorize means these two brackets, a plus b and a minus b. So a square and 2a plus 3b as it is, as a square. Now factorize first of all a plus b. A, this bracket is a and this will be b. So first of all a plus b means a plus 2a plus 3b, and in another bracket a minus b. So a minus 2a, because of this minus, this sign is changed, which is 3b. Okay, now this 2 means 3a plus 3b, and here minus a minus 3b. Now 3 I will take common, 3a plus b, and here minus 1 I will take common, so that a plus 3b. So this minus sign I am shifting, so final answer will be minus 3a plus b and a plus 3b. Right? Okay, moving towards next question. 50a cube minus 2a, but we want in the square form. So we will take common. From numbers we take 2, and from variables we have to take a. And in bracket, as we are taking 2 means I am going to divide it here by 2. Means I have 25a square minus 2a is taking common, so that 1 is only left out. Now consider this whole term as a and this term as a b. And this we have to convert it into these two brackets as a factors. Okay. So find out the root first. 5a square minus 1 square. Now 2a is common. 5a plus 1 and 5a minus 1. So this is your answer. Moving towards next question. In this question we have to take root of 9 as well as the 16. So 3 in bracket a minus 2 as it is square. This whole term we are taking as a. And here root 4 a plus 2. This whole term we are taking as a b. Now this question is in this form, a square minus b square, right? So we want these two factors. So first of all, 3a minus 6 bracket square, and here 4a plus 8 bracket square. So 3a minus 6 plus 4a plus 8. In other bracket, 3a minus 6 minus 4a. Because of minus sign, this sign will change, minus 8. Now similar terms are coming closer, so we have 7a minus 6 plus 8 will give 2, and here minus a minus 4b. So this minus sign I will take out, so I have 7a plus 2a plus 4b. Okay, in this question is a raised to 4 minus 1, but we want the form of square, so we are converting this as in square. Take out the root, means a square bracket square minus 1 square minus 1 square is 1 only. Okay, now we are finding out this factor, means a square in first bracket plus other bracket a square minus 1. Now this bracket is again splitting up, so this as it is a square plus 1, and in this bracket a plus 1, a minus 1. Okay, this is. In this question, first of all we have to factorize these two, means this as a and this as a b. So take out the root, 2a bracket square, here 7b bracket square. This is as it is, means 2a minus 7b. Now factorize this as 2a plus 7b and 2a minus 7b plus 2a minus 7b. I put bracket for understanding. So this and these two brackets are equal. So take common from this. So 2a minus 7b is common. 2a plus 7b plus 1. This is the answer. In this question, a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square match with this 2ab, and minus c square minus d square minus 2cd. So first of all, I am taking close these terms, means a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square minus d square minus 2cd. This full term is expansion of a plus b bracket square. If I am taking here minus common, so I have c square plus d square plus 2cd. So this full term is squaring of c plus d bracket square. Now again we have a bracket square and b bracket square. Let's factorize this. Means a plus b plus c plus d, and in other bracket a plus b minus c. Because of minus out of the bracket, I have to do minus d. So this is the factorization. This question is little bit different from the problems we have solved earlier. Now we are using the same method to solve this question. The method is difference between the squares. Now let's start here. This question actually based on double factorization. So let's start. This whole we are considering as a and this as a b. Now x square plus 4y square minus 9z square bracket square and root square root, means 4xy root. Now this question is in the form of a square minus b square, means we are going to solve a plus b as well as a minus b. Let's start with this, means x square plus 4y square minus 9z square plus 4xy. In first bracket, another bracket, x square plus 4y square minus 9z square minus 4xy. Now this 4xy I am going to shift here, means I will get the complete square. X square plus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9z square. Here also this minus 4xy I have to shift here, means x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9z square. Okay, now this full is a square of x plus 2y bracket square, and this is 3z bracket square. Okay, again we have a square minus b square. Start with this step. This is square of x minus 2y bracket square and minus 3z bracket square. Okay, here also a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Now further factorizing as a plus b and a minus b, so that x plus 2y plus 3z and x plus 2y minus 3z. Okay, and this 2, a square minus b square means x minus 2y plus 3z, and here x minus 2y minus 3z. Now this 4 bracket as an answer. Then we have to split, like this square is also get complete, and we are having one more square, means minus 2 minus 9. Minus 11 we have to split into this 2, which is minus 2 minus 9 according to question. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 minus 9. Right. Now this whole bracket is expansion of x minus 1 upon x bracket square, and 9 means we are having 3 square. Now we have a square minus b square. Now we are going to convert a plus b and a minus b. So this full as a and this as a b. Now factorize this, x minus 1 upon x plus 3 and x minus 1 upon x minus 3. In this question, we have to do group for getting a square as well as b square. So let's consider this as a and this whole terms are as a b. Okay, so taking root 2x square bracket square minus and I'm taking out, so x square plus 12x plus 36. Now this is a expansion of, see, 2x square bracket square minus, this is the expansion of x plus 6 bracket square. Now here we have a square minus b square, means we have to factorize as a plus b as well as a minus b. Now 2x square plus x plus 6 and in other bracket 2x square minus x and minus 6. Further factorization is possible in this bracket. In this bracket it is not possible because 6 2s are 12, means a into c, 12, and we want difference plus 1. So this bracket is not possible. So this bracket carry to the next step as it is. But in this bracket minus 12. So a into c means minus 12, means minus 6 into 2 means minus 12. So 4 3s are 12, but middle sign is minus, middle term sign is minus, so that minus sign for the bigger and smaller plus sign. So 4 3s are minus 12 and minus 4 plus 3 you are getting minus 1. So this is factorizing further as middle term we are substituting with these two terms. So 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Now by grouping this 2 and this 2, take common 2x, so that x minus 2 will be remaining, and here plus 3, so x minus 2. This bracket as it is, 2x square plus x plus 6. Now further step is here, means 2x square plus x plus 6, and these two are we can say as a common. So x minus 2 and other 2x plus 3 in other bracket, 2x plus 3. Here we are going to study about type 5. Now type 5 is depending on sum or difference of the two cubes. Now this formula you will learn about, a plus b bracket cube expands like a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Now I want this as a subject. So a cube plus b cube, it gives a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab and a plus b. Now a plus b and a plus b, both sides, so take one common, a plus b is common, in other bracket a plus b bracket square minus having this square, so I have a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. So a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab is remaining. So these two are the factors of a cube plus b cube. Likewise, we are having factor of a cube minus b cube. These are a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Now these two factors we are using in this exercise. So look at this question. A cube means a bracket cube. 27 means 3 is cube. Consider this as a and this as a b. So these factors are there. A plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. A plus b means a plus 3. Now a square means first term square. B square means second term square. Means 3 square. Minus a into b. Minus a into b means 3. So that a plus 3, a square plus 9 minus 3a. Now look at this question. 64 minus a cube into b cube. First root 4 cube minus ab cube. So consider this as a and this as a b. So we are having this formula a minus b. This factorized we knows about. So a minus b means 4 minus ab. A square means 4 square plus ab means 4 into ab and plus b square. B means ab. So ab square. 4 minus ab, 16 here 4ab and a square b square. In this question, let's consider this as a and this whole term as a b. Now we are using factors a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. First of all, a minus b means taking cube root 3 upon a cube. A minus b means a minus 3 upon a. Now a square ab plus b square, right? So a square means a square plus ab, a into 3 upon a plus b square means 3 upon a bracket square. So that a minus 3 upon a and a square, a cancel, plus 3 plus 9 upon a square. Okay. In this question, we have to use plus factors. A plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So taking cube root first, a cube plus 0.4 cube. Here a plus b first means a plus 0.4 in other bracket, a square plus b square minus ab means a into b. So 0.4 into a means a plus 0.4, a square, 4 square means 16, so 0.16 minus 0.4 a. Difference of two cubes, and here a raised to 4, here also a. So take one a common, a cube minus 343. Now 343 is a cube of 7, so that a cube minus 7 cube means we are having here a cube minus b cube. Consider this as a b cube, right? So factorize a minus b means 7, a square plus ab means 7a plus b square means 49. Okay. Now this question, here a minus b, this this minus sign I'm taking out so that this sign will change. So it will be a cube minus b cube. Now factorization of a cube minus b cube we know about. So a minus b in one bracket minus, this is factorized as a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now a minus b, take one common. So a minus b is common. In other bracket, 1 minus, at the place of this, 1 minus, this whole bracket is there. A square plus ab plus b square. So that a minus b, 1 minus a square minus ab minus b square. Okay. Now this question is little bit different. Here we are having a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Now raised to 6 we are converting like a cube raised to 2 and b cube raised to 2. As they are square, it will further factorize into a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Now a cube plus b cube, as we know about how it factorize, a plus b on the bracket a square minus ab plus b square, and this is factorized a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, moving towards this question now. We want cube. So 2 is not cube as well as 54 is also not, so take common. So that we are getting complete cube. X cube plus divided by 2 means we are getting 27 y cube. And from this terms we are taking minus 4 as a common. Minus 4, so that this sign will change. So x plus 3y. This is convert into the root, cube root, means x cube plus 3y cube. This term is as it is, x plus 3y. Now further 2 as it is, and x plus 3y in other bracket, x square minus ab means minus 3xy plus b square means 9y square minus 4x plus 3y as it is. Now x plus 3y we are going to take common, as well as 2 and here 4. Means from number we are taking 2 as a common, and from bracket we are taking x plus 3y as a common. So 2 and x plus 3y common. So what is left out? X square minus 3xy plus 9y square minus 2. Because this we take common. So this is your answer. Now we will solve these problems which based on type 1st to 5, which we have solved earlier. Now look at this question. This question is 9a square plus 1 upon 9a square minus 2 up till here. So this whole is expansion of 3a minus 1 upon 3a bracket square. From the remaining part, we will take 4 common. So minus 4, 3a minus 1 upon 3a. Because we are taking minus, so this sign is changed. Now this bracket as well as this bracket, same. Take 1 common. So that 3a minus 1 upon 3a. So in other bracket we have 3a minus 1 upon 3a minus 4. So these are the factors. Okay, now moving towards next question. In this question, we have to multiply by x as well as we have to separate this a. Means x square plus multiplication first, a square x plus x upon a plus 1. Now cutting a and a, so we are having x square plus ax plus x upon a plus 1. So from this 2 I will take x common, so that x plus a. So this one we have to split into a upon a. This one we have to split into a upon a. After cutting splitting we are getting 1 again, so that we are splitting to take the common thing. So x upon a plus a upon a. So here x plus a, from this I will take common 1 upon a, so that x plus a is remaining, right? Now this x plus a and x plus a taking common, x plus a and x plus 1 upon a. This is the factorize. Now moving towards this question is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 3. So we are not getting here complete square. We have to split this minus 3. So splitting this minus 3 into minus 2 minus 1. So by taking addition we are getting minus 3 again. Okay. So this 2 splitting I will keep here. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 minus 1. Right. So this whole term is an expansion of x minus 1 upon x bracket square, and here 1 square. So factorize this squaring now. So x minus 1 upon x first plus and x minus 1 upon x minus 1, like a minus b and a plus b, like these two terms are there. Let's consider in this question, let a square minus 3a as x. So this question will become x in other bracket. This is also x plus 7 plus 10. So x is multiplied here also and here also. So x square plus 7x plus 10. Now in this question we have to split the middle term. By splitting middle term, type 3 sums. So 10, 5 2 sum. This sign is plus, again this sign is also plus. So both are plus. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2, 7. So putting these two terms at the place of 7x. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Taking common x, so x plus 5, and from this to 2, so that x plus 5. Same bracket, take common x plus 5, another bracket x plus 2. Okay. Now again look at this question. This question we are getting 2 squares. 9x square is also square and this is also. So this term take together. So 9x square minus 64y square plus 3x minus 8y. Now take the root from this term. So 3x bracket square and 8y bracket square. This as it is, 3x minus 8y. Now factorizing like a square. A plus b, a minus b. So this term is a and this term is b. So 3x plus 8y and 3x minus 8y. This term as it is, 3x minus 8y. Now we are having this term common. Take common 3x minus 8y, and what is left out? 3x plus 8y plus 1. So this is your answer. In this question, see 1 by 4 and a plus b bracket square. So take whole bracket square by root, taking the root of 4 means 2. So a plus b bracket somewhat larger, and this is 2. This is whole bracket square. Here also by taking the root means 3 by 4 2a minus b, this whole bracket square. Now let's consider this whole as a and this whole as a b. Now this is a square minus b square. So factorizing the two brackets, a plus b and a minus b. So first of all, a plus b means a plus b by 2 plus 3 by 4 2a minus b, and in other bracket a plus b by 2 minus 3 by 4 2a minus b. Now here LCM should be there. That's why I'm multiplying by 2 here. So 2a plus 2b plus 3 into 2m is 6a minus 3b. As we take LCM, 4 is the denominator. And here also we have to take the denominator. LCM means multiply by 2 here also, multiply by 2 here also. So we have 2a plus 2b minus 3 to the 6a and plus minus 3 minus b means plus 3b upon 4. Okay, now here 2a and 6a. Before that, this 4 and this 4 means 4 for the 16 means 1 upon 16 I am taking common. So deal with the numerator only. 2a plus 6a will give 8a. 2b minus 3b means minus b in one bracket. Other bracket, see 2a minus 6a minus 4a, 2b plus 3b plus 5b. Okay, this